With the Allen key and screw provided, secure the base of the clevis to the top of the Saunders clinical traction device rail. The clevis required will depend on the brand of the traction motor being paired with the device. Securely hook the opposite end of the clevis to the connectors on the traction motor. Place the base of the Saunders clinical traction device on the base of the traction bolster. Increase the width between the neck wedges to allow ample room to accommodate the patient's neck. With the patient supine and comfortably positioned, slide the forehead strap into place and adjust its tightness for a comfortable fit. Tighten the wedges until they rest snugly against the patient's neck. Connect the traction motor pull cord to the Saunders clinical traction device. For more information, please visit orthocanada.com.